Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a full face of PR tested. You know, if this is your first time watching the beat, welcome. And if this is not your first time, you already know what it is. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe and put your bell on for notifications. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright, so since nobody is watching these videos, I can play around with my background and all that. So I'm in my living room again, but I didn't close the blind, so it's also lit in the back. If you're watching, let me know how you feel about this. Do you prefer the other video where the blinds were closed, or do you like it when they're open? So today I'm just gonna do a full tutorial of first impressions, I guess. Not all our first impressions, but they're definitely like newer products to me. I just put on the Smashbox Oil and Shine Primer because I really wanted to test it out with the Rare Beauty foundation just to see if it would really help the longevity of that foundation, because I gave it 3.5 stars in the review that I did of it. So today we also have IPSY. So I got my June IPSY box. I'm probably not going to talk about everything in the IPSY box. I got the Benefit, the Professional Super Setter Long Lasting Makeup Spray. It is so cute. And y'all know for brows, I'm like obsessed with this Patrick Ta brow wax. So I'm just going to spray a little bit of that to activate it. You could either use water or you could use a setting spray. I have been using the Urban Decay All Nighter spray in it, so this will be the first time that I'm trying another type of setting spray with this product. So let's see how that goes. Just instead of doing makeup solely, you know, just doing the look and kind of review the products, I'll talk a little bit about what's going on in my life right now. So I recently got a new job. I work for a pharmaceutical company and it's been pretty demanding. I have to like go into my office. Before I was working fully remotely because of Corona, but now I actually have to go into an office. It's on a hybrid scale, so I don't have to go in every day. I've been juggling that and trying to do content creation, which I really love. Like when I edit my videos and stuff, that brings me joy. It really does. Coming up with the concepts, filming the videos, like that brings me joy. So I'm gonna continue on, but you could definitely tell that my time is split now because I have to go into work, and that's why I haven't been as consistent on YouTube, but we shall get back to it. I kind of feel like YouTube is suppressing my videos, but maybe it's just I'm not making content that people are searching for anymore, you know? And I kind of don't have the time to figure out what that content is. And what I really wish is that YouTube would just send my subscribers the notification of when I post a video. At least let the people who subscribe to me see my videos. No such luck. So I'm trying to come up with a solution for that, and I think my solution for that will be a newsletter. So I'm in the stages of like figuring out how to do a newsletter. I soft launched my blog, website, newsletter coming soon, and once you subscribe you get notifications on whenever I upload a YouTube video and, you know, anything else that's going on with me. I think that would be really, really good. I think it would be a great way for us to stay connected, because, you know, like if YouTube shuts down tomorrow, it's like I'm gonna miss you guys. There's no way for me to contact you, you know? And even if you could find me on Instagram, which some of you have, what about if Instagram shuts down one day? I think doing the newsletter and having that one-on-one connection with my subscribers, with the people who support me, will be the best thing to do. Let's X the middleman. So yeah, let me know down below if you're like up for the newsletter. Any suggestions with the newsletter, like things you would like to see, like sales or products I've been loving or something like that. Because what I plan to do with my blog is do roundups, like skincare I've been loving, makeup I've been loving, my summer makeup routine, my fall makeup routine, winter makeup routine, those kind of things where I already have my content. So I'm just gonna compile all that I have kinda and put it into blog posts and, you know, help you that way. But if there are any specific things that you would like to see on my blog, definitely let me know. And I feel like when it comes to blogging, it's gonna be a little easier for me because I feel like I have so much content. If somebody asks me a question, I'll be like, okay, well, I have this, let me just write something up real quick, you know? I just feel like it's gonna be easier. But yeah, so that's the brows so far. I feel like the spray works really well with this gel. This might be my new favorite combo. So about 2 weeks ago, I was invited to a masterclass with Katie Jane Hughes. I don't know if you guys know Katie Jane Hughes, but she is a celebrity makeup artist and she's like an amazing person. I started to follow her on Instagram. She has KJH Academy, which she does every week. And this look is going to be loosely based on her KJH Academy for this week. Loosely. When I say loosely, I mean loosely. But she taught a masterclass about this collaboration. So this collaboration is Ciate London and Disney and Pixar, the Edna Mode collection. So this is pretty cool because you kind of have to like shift this wheel in order to like open each section. It can be kind of annoying, but it's cute. You just shift the wheel and then you can open it up. Ooh. There's a shadow in here that's broken, and this is like the best shadow of the palette. I'm so sad that it's broken. Oh, it's everywhere. I think I need to put some alcohol in it, kind of salvage it, but that's mostly the palette. So it's 6 eyeshadows and 2 blushes. So I think that's what I want to do on my eye. I actually really want to use that shade. It's called Yes. I am just going to place that on my lids. It's like a beautiful shimmery shade. Okay, my lights are turned down dramatically. You still can't even see the color of the shadow. It's like pink. This is so pretty. This wheel in the center here is kind of annoying. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like the design of the palettes at all because it's too hard to get to where you need to get to. It was given a little something because Edna is all about what does she do? She's like the person who makes all the gadgets, right? So also from the Edna Mode collection, you have 2 pencil liners. Oh, they're so beautiful. Not for today's look though, but let me just swatch them for you. Isn't that so nice? I can't wait to like use that on my bottom lash line. I feel like these will be really, really nice. It's very bright, vibrant colors, and also they set really well. So once they set, they do not move. So I like that. Back to the IPSY box, we got the ABH Cosmetics Eternal Eyeliner. Y'all remember ABH Cosmetics? I feel like we canceled them a couple years ago, didn't we? Who knows? Anywho's, we'll be using their eyeliner today. What Katie did is she had like a liner kind of just coming out here, just on the end. She also extended it. Ooh, this is really black. I like it. Yes, I'm feeling this. Okay, look. Just a little baby wing and very, very easy to use. I think this is the first thing I'm trying from ABH Cosmetics. I know that they have those setting sprays. Okay, I'm lying. I tried their setting sprays before and I was not impressed. It was just like fragrance and alcohol. But this liner is giving me life. I like. Okay, so I'm happy I got this in my IPSY box. I'm gonna link it down below. So got the lashes on. Now let's go in with the Rare Beauty foundation. The coverage on this foundation is pretty good. All right, so at first this foundation looks so dark, and then after a while it kind of just adjusts. I don't know. It's dark, but it's like good. So then we're gonna go in with the concealer, which I absolutely love. I feel like this will turn into a holy grail. This concealer is also really easy to blend out. Look how easy that was. Then I'm going to lightly set it with Fenty Beauty loose powder. Then we're gonna bronze with Mocha Mami. But yeah, I don't know how I feel about this palette. Now that I'm coming down to the end of it, I'm like, it's too much work. So let's try something new from Maybelline. I got a cute little package from Maybelline and they sent over their Cheek Heat. So I watched a couple reviews on this, and they're water-based cream blushes, and the shade that I want to try is called Fuchsia Spark. So that's how it looks right here. I'm going to just put a little bit on my cheek and blend it in. It's cool to the touch. Okay, I'm gonna try it with the brush this time because I actually like using this brush for cream products. It's actually giving good payoff. I am surprised. Yeah, something about this brush, this Real Techniques brush, I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. It is so good. It's really, really, really good. You can use cream products with it, you can use powder with it, and it performs really well as a blush brush. I actually really like how my cheeks are looking. Okay, I'm pleased with the Cheek Heat. So I have 2 other shades. I have Nude Burn and I also have Coral Ember. But from the packaging, they look so light. I don't want to open them up. I'm going to put this into a giveaway because now that I know that I actually like the formula, you know, I would like somebody who has a lighter complexion who this might actually work for to get it. I also got 2 lifter glosses from Maybelline. I've been wanting to try the lifter glosses for a long time because I heard that they're dupes for Fenty Gloss Bomb. So let's see. I'm gonna try the shade Ice. I don't think this will be my final lip, but I just want to try it. Okay, it smells okay. It smells kind of like vanilla. Feels really good on the lips. Feels great on the lips actually. This is like a clear gloss. Okay, all right. I'm feeling it. This would be a nice topper, I think, if you wanted to make something matte glossy. This would be nice. I like. Okay, let's try Moon. I'm just gonna put it on over it. This is giving me Fenty Glow vibes though. Okay, it looks like Fenty Glow, but it's going on more like what's the name of that shade? Sweet Tooth. Do you guys remember Sweet Tooth? Sweet Tooth is like a pink with silver iridescence. I could see why they would say this would be a dupe for Gloss Bomb. It's kind of giving Gloss Bomb vibes. It's not as sticky because Gloss Bomb, the original, is kind of sticky. The smell is not intoxicating either. It smells good, but it's not like, you know, making you want to eat it. But I like it because I think these are very affordable. I'm gonna put the price above, and Gloss Bombs are like $19. So I would say this is a pretty good dupe, and I believe they do have a wide range of shades as well. All right, I like that. I actually really like how the eyes came out. So the palette is not all shite. Okay, the palette is good. I just don't like the packaging that it came in. Like, I wish it was just a simple palette, you know? They were trying to be fancy, and I think they missed the mark with the palette because I'm really feeling the eyes, right? Look at these eyes, y'all. That's gorgeous. And this is the shimmer that is broken in the palette. So now shimmer is like everywhere. My whole desk is covered in shimmer. I'm gonna put some of the cheek heat on my lips. Something about this cheek heat is cooling, like on contact with your skin is cooling. Ooh, that did something. Wow, I love that combo. The cheek heat as a lipstick is nice when you mix it with lifter gloss. All right, so I'm just gonna finish off with the Professional setting spray. This spray is so good. When you press down, it's kind of like a continuous mister. That's what it feels like. But yeah, this is the final look. This was a nice simple look. I feel like these days I'm doing very much so natural, very much so dewy type makeup, you know, barely there kind of stuff. I think that this blush is also beautiful. I'll put the price up of the blush because Maybelline is one of my favorite drugstore brands, if not my favorite. And I feel like their products are always like bangers. And you know what? I think I need to try the new skin tint from Maybelline because you all know my Fit Me video is like my most watched video on my channel. So perhaps we should add a little skin tint action in there. So yeah, I hope that this was helpful and enjoyable. You know, you can follow me on my social media platforms. It's The Beat on Instagram and TikTok and The Beat Inc. on Facebook. And without further ado, have a great night, guys. Bye.